Hello and welcome to the demo of the scroll. Let me come in here and register a user. So I'm going to sign up my new user link, give him some basic information, give him profile picture, header image, kind of it for now. Is only required field, so let me go ahead and finish that. So I'm going to come in here and log in with a link. Come and log in. We see some posts. We'll take a look at that in a minute. Let me go ahead and find a specific user I'm looking for. I'm going to find Princess Zelda and send her a message. I'll just say, "Hi Zelda, where are you?" Send. See that message pop up. If I come over here and log in with Zelda, log in, check her messages. You can see a message here from Link, and it says, "Hi Zelda, where are you?" She says, "I am in New York." Sends that back. If I come over here and refresh, check my messages from Zelda, we can see, oh, she's in New York, which is great. Now, if we say maybe Link hadn't seen that message yet, though, he might post over here and say, "Does anyone know where Zelda is?" And post that. That link is posted. Maybe Zelda will come over here. And if she happens to find Link's post down here, she might say, "Where does anyone know where Zelda is?" And she could comment and say, "I am," or maybe she'll say, "Check your messages." She can even come in here and add an image. Maybe she'll send an image of New York. Say comment, and then we can say, look, here's her message. If Link comes back and checks his message over, or his comment over here, you can see it says, "Just going to know where Zelda is," and there's a comment on it from Princess Zelda. All right. If I come back to Zelda's comment here, I can even share it. I could say, "Guess I know where she is," and click share. And now we can see I have shared that post. You see it's here. All right. And you can even see it shows a share, and then maybe I'll click on it to like it. I can even save that post. I could come back over here and check my save post, and I'll see that here. Maybe I want to follow Princess Zelda, so I'll click on her profile. I'll click follow. If I come back to my users and click following, I can see any post from Zelda, which I don't know if she actually has posted any normal messages. So maybe let's come over here. Normal post. So if I create a post and say, "I am Zelda," post, come back over here, we can see that she's now said, "I am Zelda." You can see also there's a view counter here, right? So it's one view, but if I refresh the page, that's going to go up. So those views are being tracked, which is great. Now, maybe as a link, I'm going to come back. I'll find my post again. I'll just edit that and say, "Thanks for letting me know." Say update. You see it's been updated. Say, "Thanks for letting me know." But maybe she'll come back here, find her own post, and say, edit that, and perhaps get rid of that image and say, maybe pick one from Chicago and say, "Guess where now?" Update. You can see that's been updated to the image of Chicago. All right. Is there anything else we need to go over in this application? You can see lists. So let me create a list. I'll just call this Hyrule and call it Hyrule people. Create. Let me come back to users. I'll find link. Choose from my list. Ooh, there seems to be an issue. There we go. So let me click link, add him to the high rule list. Now great. You can see someone's following link, which of course was Zelda, I believe. Or sorry, this is Zelda. Someone's following link, which I believe is Zelda, right? Perhaps. Oh, no, sorry. This means he's following Zelda. And now that I clicked following on him, he should have another follower if I refresh, which is true. Yeah. You see his join date was today. See his username. See his profile picture, his header image here. Let's see, anything else? So we've seen lists, we've seen messages, we've seen users, we've seen comments. Oh, the one other thing we can do is go and look at account. So if I come over here and actually a couple things, we could do profile first, right? Because we could pin this post. You notice it shows up here as a pinned post. And then the other thing we can do is give him more. The images show up large in this view. We can give him more of his biography. So he can just say, I am a great man. And he said his occupation or something here. Say that he lives in Hyrule and link to his own website. Save that. So you see those values are showing up here. Maybe he doesn't like one of these images, so you can get rid of it. He'll replace it with a new one. Just some other images here and hit save. So yeah, you can see this new image here, his new profile picture and his new banner are now showing up. And then one other thing he can do is come over here and edit his account, right? So this is the special credentials editing page. You need to enter your password or it won't work. So if I try to change my username to link to and hit make changes, it doesn't do anything without your password entered. All right, because if I come back over here, you can see his username is still linked, right? So if I come back over here, I need to enter his password first. Then he should be able to update his username and email. If he wants to change his password, he'll have to type that in as well. Say make changes. You'll notice it automatically logs him out as soon as he makes those changes. So he has to enter his new username and password. If he tries the old one, it won't work. Obviously it says invalid credentials, but if I pop up and give him his new credentials, he'll log right in, which is great. The one other thing that he can do if he wanted to is come over to his account and actually delete it. So let's say he's tired of being on this website. He doesn't like it. He doesn't like the people there. Whatever reason, he wants to get rid of his account. We're sad to see him go, of course, but we will allow it. If we just hit delete my account, though, there is a big warning saying this action is permanent. Type your email, which I believe we just changed. However, there's going to be an issue because if I just type this in here, you notice we're unable to delete account. Please confirm your current password was entered correctly, which it was not. So we need to type in the current password. Hit delete my account. Now if I enter his email, it should allow us to delete his account. I click OK. There it is, it's gone. If I try to register, if I try to log in with Link's account and log in, no longer works. All right, that is it for the demo. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.